Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the luck totem in Fish It Roblox. So in here, this is how the luck totem will look like. And if you want to get or purchase the luck totem, this is what you're going to do. So first, in the Fisherman Island, what you need to do in here, you can just go to the traveling merchant here on the left side of the Fisherman Island. So just go talk to the merchant. In here, and you'll found the luck totem. Just click on view shop, and in here you can purchase it for 650k. You can just hit on purchase and you'll get the luck totem, and you can place it anywhere you like I did before. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.